All right, guys. Yeah, give it up for your last comic tonight. Yeah. Keep the energy going. One final comic tonight. Local guy. Let's give it up for Mr. Derek Lee Feltner. Excuse me, where's the microphone? Yeah, it's on. Oh, okay. Hello. I'm gonna start tonight by doing my son's favorite joke. He's 2. When I was 9 years old, I fell down a well. It was on my birthday. I did not wish for that. As I mentioned, I'm a father, and some of my coworkers have asked me, Derek, when did you know that you were a father? I know for some, it's the first time that they hold their child in their arms after it's born. But for me, the first time I knew I was a father was the first time I bought my jeans at Costco. Five pair for $29.99. They come on a roll. Yeah, this is better. So the locks on my car don't work right now. So whenever I go places, I just roll my driver's side window all the way down and dump broken glass next to my car. That's called a life hack. I saw on the news, online, that Taco Bell is introducing 21 new items to its menu this year. And with that, I'll be scheduling 21 visits to my local healthcare practitioner. So my sister-in-law bought me this book. It's Bad Dad Jokes. She was convinced that no joke in this book would ever work. And I'm going to convince her that she is wrong by telling one of the jokes tonight. Today at the bank, an old lady asked me to help check her balance. So I pushed her over. Joke's on you, Katie. That's funny. I started watching the show Friends recently, mainly because I don't have any. Oh no. No. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, you guys have been great. Thank you so much. My name is Derek Lee Feltner. leave that there since I'm the last comedian. All right, thanks, Derek. Appreciate it. Thanks everybody for coming out. Again, don't forget we're out here every other week from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Bring out the little kids next time too. See if they can sling a couple jokes. Don't forget to tip your staff, your bar staff, and your waitresses tonight. You guys have been great. Have a good night.